Today's video is going to be all about feet pedicure. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use feet mask to achieve this beautiful looking feet. Keep watching. Hey guys, hey families, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Today's video is going to be all about feet pedicure. Okay, I'm going to be treating my leg today with a feet mask. Okay, I have a feet mask that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to be using it on my leg. Let's do this together. You guys are gonna love this video. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share reactions. Please consider subscribing, put on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. What I did first, I went ahead and soaked my feet inside the warm water, okay, for 10 minutes. Then after soaking it for 10 minutes, I'm going to use my feet mask. Okay, this one right there, this is the feet mask. It comes in 2 pairs. Okay, I've got this from Amazon. In case you want to get your one, I think I got it from Amazon. Yes. Then I'm soaking my feet for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to take it out from the water. Then I'll pat dry my feet. Then I'm going to put my feet inside the mask. Then I'll put on my socks. Just keep watching, enjoy the video, relax, feel free, and thank you. After 10 minutes, I'm going to pat dry my feet. Then I'll put on the feet mask. Then I'll cover it with socks. Then I'm going to leave it for about 8 to 9 hours. I remember I did this in the night right before I went to bed. Okay, I did it right before I went to bed around 7-8 o'clock in the evening. Then I'm gonna put the mask, and I'll sleep with it till the next morning before I'll take it out. Okay guys, this was the next day. Okay, this the next day. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to soak my feet inside the warm water again. Then after soaking it, I'll pat dry, then I'll put on my socks. Okay, as day one. This is the second day, guys. The thing is working like magic. Guys, can you see my dead skin? Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Can you see the skin is coming off? Day 2. This is day 3, the third day. Most of the skin are already coming off. Okay, then what I will do again, I will soak my feet inside a warm water for about 10 minutes. I will take it off, then I will scrub. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. As I said earlier, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Right now I'm soaking back my feet inside the warm water, then I will go ahead and scrub with my feet scrubber, okay, to help me take off the remaining skin from my feet. Okay guys, this is the final result of my feet. My feet is looking like a baby feet. It's so soft and shiny. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love, the support. You guys are amazing. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Bye bye. Thank you so much guys. Bye.